Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. It's your girl Tanika and today I'm in the kitchen again. I'll be preparing some brown stewed cow kidney. So it's already washed, cut up and cleaned. It's approximately 2 pounds. I ordered 3 pounds, but when it's cleaned it's approximately 2 pounds. So I have some Maggi all-purpose and some browning, so that's what I'll be using. I'll also be using some bulk seasoning. So do not throw too much browning because it will be too black and it will be unappealing. And remember, season to your liking, because not everyone likes the same amount of seasoning on their meat. I also add some natural seasoning to the meat. I have a little vegetable oil in the pot. I'm just adding that in there just if it's hot. So I'm adding the meat right now, and I'm going to leave it uncovered for approximately 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add some water and cover it and leave it to pressure for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll check on it to see if it's at the desired texture. The kidney is cooked, so now I'm going to add some carrots and bell pepper, or sweet pepper as we call it in Jamaica. The brown sugar is just to add a little more flavor. It's optional. That is the way that I like it. The tomato ketchup is also optional. It's ready now. This takes approximately 30 to 45 minutes to prepare. So you can have this with anything of your choice, whether it's a starch or vegetable. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I hope hope my video helps someone, and I hope you like my video. Bye.